Humour, hello. Welcome to the Humanities Research Centre. The HRC is a place for critical thinking and imagination. It serves as a hub for interdisciplinary research within the ANU, across Australia and around the world. As we turn 50, the HRC is building on its esteemed past. We're looking forward with purpose and responsibility. And we're asking big questions about who we are and who we can be. The HRC is all about bringing people together. We connect students and scholars with artists and activists. We work with people in galleries, libraries, archives and museums. And our annual themes attract world-class researchers to explore concepts such as mobilities, crisis, repair, identity and hope. We're committed to supporting scholarship and sharing knowledge on issues that matter to everyone. I hope you can join us as we celebrate and advance the humanities in contemporary life.